another one app I will tell you after some time, that is called as Translate. For example, the same thing is there. I'll tell you.
Whatever text you have or image you have, we can translate into our own language. Okay, so this is Google Translation app.
Now next one is called as Google Translate. Okay, again you have to go to Play Store and type Google Translate. This is called as Google Translate. For example, you have your text. Fine, either you can type it or what all you had over there. No, for example, go to, yeah, here only I type one poem, right? Yes, dogs. Go to 3 dot, copy. Now your text is copied. Now you want to translate. For example, you are writing Tamil poems and you want to convert it as English or English to Tamil or whatever language it may be. So what do you now? Your content is ready. So now I have written Tamil to English, or what I'll do, English to Tamil means here you press English to Tamil, it will go, or you can do any other language. So now what text I have copied is English text. So here you paste it. So this is the content which I pasted, taken. Dogs. It is already translated, beautifully translated. Now what you should do, you have to copy, that's all. And small corrections, addition, deletion, you can do it. Okay, copy. So now copy. Select all, copy, minimize, go to WhatsApp, depress, paste. So from English it has come to Tamil. It is only Google Translation. If you have any doubts, some small things and all will be there. Such things you can do it yourselves. Because what happened when I wrote a poem, no, I don't remember exactly the poem. I wrote Limelight. Limelight means, okay, come to limelight. And Google Translate, what he did, he told Sunnambu Velicham. Okay, like that it will come. So make sure to go through nicely. Like this you can do translation, Tamil to English, English to Tamil or any other language. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. So this is the Google Translation app. Go to Play Store, do it. Okay, if you want to alter it, it will go like that. You want any other language, you touch, you have a lot of other languages, it will bring other languages. Easy to do anything. Fine. Yes, I don't want Hindi, I want English. So English to Tamil. And in this one, he will translate into other language using camera also. Here you have the camera. Open camera. Yes, for example, this is English poem. So what you do, take a photo. Yes. Select all, copy, minimize, go to WhatsApp, done. So English poem, what you saw now it is in Tamil format. Fine dear? So it's very easy and simple. Any doubt you can ask me. I am ready to help you out. Thank you.